y'all, this is Monica coming at you with a fast and furious little tutorial. I am trying to make a quick gift here before I head off to teach a class, and I'm using the double post punch by Easy Earring Cards, and they are really good about having some wonderful tools for jewelry designers to be able to have your own branded packaging for shows, craft fairs, and just in general sending these packages off to your customers. I need to send a little thank you card, and this card is 5.5 by 4. And this is just one of my thank you cards, and when you open it up, I want to be able to hang these 2 pairs of earrings that are a Valentine theme on the inside. However, when I open this up, it's going to make the earrings go upside down if I punch from this direction here. So I'm going to put this little inset here, this card. I'm going to put my punches using the double post punch by Easy Earring Cards. This is a nice, quick, and easy gift that you can put inside of a card. Now, if you're going to mail something like this, of course, you want to protect it a little bit better. Put some bubble wrap over it, send it in a bubble mailer, or even maybe put it in a small little box. Depending on, I'm doing 2 pairs of earrings in this, but if you only have 1 pair of earring, you might not want to put it in a box. I just took a little piece of paper here. I cut it from this 6x6 that I have in a paper stack, and I don't know what I did. Oh, this is what I used it from. I think I got this stack from Tuesday Morning about 1 or 2 years ago. I don't know, but it was on clearance, and this is called Dreamy by Heidi Swap. Tuesday Morning is pretty good with having a lot of clearance off supplies for jewelry makers or scrapbookers, so you might want to check them out sometime. So the 6x6, I just cut it down to the size I need. 3.75 by 5, okay? What I'm going to do, because I do have this additional little card panel, I'm going to put the holes at the top of this insert that I have. I'm going to put that inside the card, and then that card's going to go in the envelope. That way, when she opens it up, this card will actually come out, and the earrings won't be hanging upside down. They'll be hanging the way that they needed to, as if I had punched the card here. So let me show you what I mean. Punch the holes on the right side, and within reason they're lined up here. Now if I wanted to get really ultra picky, this is a quick, fast and easy gift here, then I could have used a ruler, or I could have folded this in half and then punched them all at the same time with this lovely post punch here, but I didn't do that. So this is the way I'm going. That way when I put it in the card, the earrings are going to hang in a downward angle, not upside down. The thing that I like so much about this double post punch is that it doesn't have the lever back punch, which is this one right here, also by Easy Earring Cards. They have a really big looping system and a lot larger hole for the post to go in. So I really like the double post punch because you can see how dainty that is, and it's not going to cause your earring to fall out. Now, if you still feel like you need a little bit of added security, you can put those little earring stoppers on the back side of your earring. I now have the insert that goes inside my card, and the earrings are hanging from this little insert. I'm going to put that inside my card once I write my sentiment here. So for me, I just need to put a little bit of a greeting because I already have something pre-printed on this card. And put my insert into the card, put the card inside the envelope, and that will be it. So have a sparkle-rific day, y'all. Bye!